Welcome everyone to Compliance Weekly, 8th of October 2024. Uh, let's start with milestone board walkthrough. So the last discussed issue was custom adherence configuration scalability review. Next one is metrics to track after implementing custom standards adherence. Nate?
Yeah, I can talk about this one. So with some of the metrics were some of the metrics have been moved into other issues that I know Sam is working on. Some of these we are going to combine into a more comprehensive dashboard. I think I showed the Tableau dashboard last week, and it needs a little bit of work. So we're trying to just sort out exactly what we're after and how best to get that data. So we've closed that one and we're going to open up another one for the data team.
Next one is on me. Adding a second framework to a project breaks compliance pipeline. So when we added multiple frameworks, the code was written in such a way that it was always fetching the first um, pipeline configuration of the first configured framework. Uh, so the actual use case was if the first framework does not have a pipeline configured, then we should get the first configured pipeline from the list of frameworks for the project. So I fixed it in this one. Next one is on Natalia. Edit framework screen policies.
Yeah, that's a little update of the policy section in the edit framework according to the new design.
Go ahead with the planning issue. Anything else that we need to discuss over here? Okay. Coming back to the planning issue. First one is custom adherence configuration MVC. I am in absence of Zephyr, I'm working on this for the backend. So right now I'm working on an MR. I'm working on two MRs for this. First one is for adding the limit to number of frameworks per project as well as the number of requirements per framework. The other one is for creating the migrations and model changes for enabling the requirements so that we can go ahead with the CRUD APIs. Natalia?
Yeah, so I was working on the creating and editing requirements. I have some functionality there already with mocked data, but I stopped at the point where I need to do things like calling mutations and queries. Now I switched to some smaller issues I have, but yeah, soon I'll get back on that.
Next one is on SAM, compliance pipeline to security policy.
Yes, that one is finished and released. It's still just the demo pending.
Next one is on me, add compliance adherence requirement for each scanner. So for now, I have completed most of the analysis for this one and working on the custom adherence, which is also related to this. Next one is on Harshima, cells 1.0 compliance database report. Nate, you have idea about it?
Yeah, I can fill in here. So the project controller changes. Merge request is in review at the moment, and Hasma has started on the group level controller as well. So once we have the project controller in, we'll be able to start testing this, turning the feature flag on and staging and testing the audit events flowing through to the API and UIs at that level. So excited.
Next one is on me. consolidation of tables for streaming audit events. Not much work over here because of the customer tenants involved. Next one is on Elia, make compliance center available to project subgroups.
To projects and subgroups. For subgroups, it was delivered for a while. I have a huge 7 merge requests open. One merged, couple of approved, and also I have a couple of actually signed for review for you, Hitesh. They are pretty small ones, but I will really appreciate if they will be reviewed somewhere soon, considering we are reaching the end of the milestone.
Yeah.
Yeah, but basically, thanks Natalia for reviewing the front end part. We are moving forward there, and we are going to. I hope we are going to land this.
Next one is on Sam, go on compliance, group engineering, and product.
Yes.
Metrics.
There we've started working on a lighthouse metrics to add standards adherence report metrics. That one is still very early though.
Okay. Next one is any design queue updates. No. Then there are some discussions.
Yes,
Nick?
I think they're all from me. First one was just congrats to Sam on the anniversary. Great one to see.
Thanks.
And I know Andrew's not on the call, but welcome to Andrew, who's the new backend engineer based out of
Welcome, Andrew.
yeah, which is going to be fantastic to have him on board. We'll have to have a look at this meeting time again in the future, but we'll see how we go.
Yeah, I saw some people were able to schedule coffee chats. It doesn't appear for me in Google Calendar for some reason. So maybe
Okay.
I'll need to give that some time till it syncs everywhere. I don't know.
Yeah. Hopefully. Anyway, we'll let Andrew do his onboarding for a week or so, and then we can start looking at that sort of stuff. And yeah, just a reminder that this is the last week to get merge requests in for the release candidates. So please feel free to ping each other in the updates channel to try get some pushes, or let me know and I can help push stuff along. Back to you, Hitesh.
So I think that's it. Thanks everyone for joining. Bye. See you soon.